ingest your footage, your video footage, and edit it and get it to the point where it's uploaded on Udemy. So this course is designed to follow our previous course, which is how to set up a do-it-yourself video studio. That course ends at the point of you've got the video and you've recorded it onto your camera and you've got audio as well. So this course is going to take where that course left off and take you to the point of a finished product. So we're going to start off with how do you get the footage onto your computer and how do you organize it. This may seem like something that's pretty simple or not something worthy of having a course about, but it turns out that this is actually a very important issue. You have to have all of your data backed up. You also want to have all your courses organized in the same way, and there's a multitude of reasons. First, so you can find what you're looking for later on. Second, if you want to outsource video editing to somebody else, you want to have things organized. And third, as you scale up and you start to create more courses, you're going to want to have everything organized in the same place because it creates a lot of stress and it can lead to overwhelm if you're constantly naming things in different ways. You don't have a set system. So these courses are all about having systems set up. So we're going to give you the systems, whether you're doing screen recording, you've got one camera, you've got multiple cameras. We're going to show you the exact process that we use, and we're going to give you a system that's as simple as possible to set up and ingest your footage, make sure it's backed up, and then take it to the next step, getting it prepared for video editing. Then we're going to go into video editing. So first we're going to talk about how I edit quickly in Camtasia. So this is accelerated video editing. I use Premiere Pro. I've used it for probably almost 10 years at this point. But I'll show you why I use Camtasia for editing most of my courses, because it allows you to just do the whole process a lot faster. You've probably noticed if you've watched other courses that I've created that I create one video. Most of my videos are just a talking head, one video, and I do it in one take. And what that allows me to do is edit a lot faster. An old adage, and anybody in the video industry will tell you, for every day that you spend going out in the field and filming, you're probably going to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 times as much time as that back in the editing bay, figuring out how you're going to cut things together. So you actually save more time by cutting down your post-production process and making that more efficient, rather than looking at when you're actually filming things, how to make that more efficient. And they work hand in hand. There's even a video in this course on how to film things properly so that it's easier to edit that footage later on. So this is a complete system, and everything has a function and a purpose that helps you save time later on. So this isn't about how to create one course quickly. This is about how do you consistently maintain a very efficient process by having a system in place. Once we go through that, Camtasia, I'm going to show you how to render in batch mode. I'm going to show you how to use markers, just things that are going to completely transform how you think about Camtasia and how long you think it takes to create really high quality stuff. Then we're going to get into Premiere, and this is where Phil takes over. He's going to give you a tour of Premiere. He's going to show you how we use Premiere, and he's going to take you through editing the video, editing the audio, cleaning up the audio. He's going to show you how to add titles. And then he's also going to go into After Effects. So After Effects is how you create those lower thirds, those little, like somebody's name and occupation in the bottom third of the video screen, or your logo, a little 5 or 10 second video that shows up at the beginning of each one of your videos. He's going to show you how to use After Effects to get these sort of things set up so that you can add even more production value to your videos. So that's what the course has in store for you. There's nothing else like this. This is a complete system, and we're taking you through the entire process. So if you've enjoyed the do-it-yourself course, or even if you haven't taken it and you're just wondering, how do I organize all my stuff? What's the best way to do it? How can I save some time? This course is guaranteed to save you a lot of time, both in the short term and the long term. And of course, we're always both available in the discussion section. If you have any questions, people sometimes ask things like, does this work the same on Mac and PC? Phil's more of a Mac guy. I'm more of a PC guy. So we're going to cover you from both perspectives, and we look forward to seeing you in the course.